Hello, emotionally intelligent ones. Sometimes you are all you've got. People come and go, times and seasons change, and on days when the road of life feels lonely, confusing, or tough, you must learn how to encourage yourself. That is what today's video is all about. We are learning about positive self-talk. What does positive self-talk mean? It means saying kind, helpful, and powerful words to yourself, especially when things are hard. It is like being your own cheerleader and best friend. When you talk kindly to yourself, you feel braver, calmer, you feel encouraged to try again, you solve problems better, and you believe in your own abilities some more. Positive self-talk builds confidence, resilience, and emotional strength. You need positive self-talk, especially in instances where you make a mistake, you're learning something new, your work does not look perfect, you feel nervous before speaking, performing, or trying something new, when you're feeling left out or alone, or when your day isn't going well. Positive self-talk is easy. You can use the following lines. Repeat these statements after me. I can do hard things. I am learning, not failing. Mistakes help me grow. I will try again. I am enough. I am doing my best. I believe in me. I am strong and capable. In practicing positive self-talk, it is important to make a habit of noticing negative thoughts on your mind and replacing them with kind words. For more effectiveness, you can even say it out loud to yourself. Ensure you practice positive self-talk every day. After all, it is like a muscle. You get more confident with your positive self-talk the more you use them. So, my dear emotionally intelligent ones, you may not always have people around to cheer you on, but you always have you. So be kind to yourself, cheer yourself up, and keep encouraging yourself. Do you like this video? Please give it a thumbs up, drop your thoughts in the comments, share this video with other people who need to learn how to give themselves positive self-talk. Watch other videos in this playlist for your learning and enjoyment, and subscribe to this channel to stay connected for more. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.